Welcome to a new video from the Color Vistas brand. If you want to keep your sublimation shirts looking vibrant and long-lasting, knowing the proper washing methods is key. In today's video, I'll walk you through the ways to wash your sublimation shirts to prevent fading, cracking, or damage. These tips will help you maintain the quality of your prints for years. Let's dive in. Why washing sublimation? Shirts properly is important. Sublimation prints are known for their durability, but even the highest quality prints can fade or wear out over time if they aren't cared for properly. Unlike other printing methods, sublimation embeds ink into the fabric fibers, making it essential to follow specific care guidelines to keep your shirts vibrant. Tip 1. Turn the shirt inside out. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your sublimation print is to turn the shirt inside out before washing. This helps reduce friction between the printed design and other clothes or the walls of the washing machine. Why it works. By turning the shirt inside out, the print is protected from direct contact with other garments, which minimizes wear and tear on the design. Bonus tip. This trick also helps prevent pilling on the fabric surface, keeping both the design and fabric in good condition. Tip 2. Use cold water. Cold water is your friend when it comes to washing sublimation shirts. Sublimation ink bonds with fabric fibers under heat, so using hot water during washing could negatively affect the longevity of your print. Preserve the ink. Washing in cold water helps maintain the integrity of the ink, ensuring it doesn't fade or wash out over time. Energy savings. Cold water washing is also better for energy efficiency, which means you're saving money while keeping your shirts in top shape. Tip 3. Choose a gentle detergent. The type of detergent you use matters. Harsh detergents with strong chemicals can damage both the fabric and the sublimation print. Opt for mild or pH-balanced detergents. Look for detergents that are gentle and designed for delicate fabrics. These detergents are less likely to affect the ink or the shirt's material. Avoid bleach and fabric softeners. Bleach is too strong for sublimation prints and can cause discoloration. Fabric softeners leave a residue that can dull the design and reduce its vibrancy. Tip 4. Wash on a gentle cycle. The washing machine setting is another crucial factor. Aggressive cycles can cause unnecessary friction, leading to fading or cracking of the sublimation print. Choose the delicate cycle. Always opt for a gentle or delicate cycle on your washing machine to minimize agitation. The less your shirt is tossed around, the longer your sublimation design will last. Washing in a mesh bag. For extra protection, you can place your sublimation shirt in a mesh laundry bag. This helps reduce the shirt's exposure to friction even further. Tip 5. Air dry for best results. When it comes to drying your sublimation shirts, air drying is the best option. Tumble drying at high temperatures can damage the ink and weaken the fibers of the fabric. Air dry flat. Lay the shirt flat on a drying rack to allow it to air dry naturally. Avoid hanging it on a line as this can stretch the fabric and distort the design. Avoid direct sunlight. While air drying is great, too much direct sunlight can fade the colors over time. Dry your shirt in a shaded or indoor area for the best results. Tip 6. Avoid ironing the print. Ironing directly on the sublimation print can cause the ink to reactivate and blur the design. Turn the shirt inside out again. If you need to iron the shirt, make sure it's inside out to protect the print. Use low heat. If ironing is necessary, always use a low heat setting to avoid damaging the fibers or sublimation ink. Tip 7. Treat stains carefully. Accidents happen, and you may get a stain on your sublimation shirt. The key is to treat stains carefully so that you don't ruin the print. Spot clean. Gently. Use a mild detergent or stain remover that is free of bleach. Gently dab the stain with a clean cloth rather than rubbing it aggressively. Avoid heat. Never apply heat to a stain, as this can set it into the fabric permanently. Use cold water for the best chance at removing the stain without damaging the design. Bonus tip: wash in cold water for longevity. The most crucial tip for long-lasting sublimation prints is consistently using cold water during every wash. Heat exposure is the #1 enemy of sublimation ink, so by keeping your washing temperature low, you ensure the print stays vibrant over time. What about some common mistakes to avoid? Here are a few mistakes to avoid when washing sublimation shirts. Using hot water. Hot water can weaken the ink and shorten the lifespan of the print. Throwing shirts in the dryer on high heat. Heat can damage both the fabric and the sublimation design, leading to fading or cracking. Skipping the inside-out trick. This small step can make a big difference in preserving the design quality. Great! Let's move on to final thoughts. Taking care of your sublimation shirts doesn't have to be complicated, but following these simple washing and care tips can make a big difference in how long your prints last. Whether you're washing for the first time or looking to preserve a long-time favorite, these steps will help keep your sublimation shirts looking as vibrant as the day you made them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these tips help you keep your sublimation shirts looking great for years to come. Don't forget to check out the description for recommended sublimation products where applicable, and visit my website for more sublimation guides and tips. See link in description below. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.